Hear real things people are already doing, and yes, they actually make money. Real examples first. No greed. Some people use AI to automatically check price and errors across Amazon, Walmart, and Shopify listings, and alert sellers before they lose margin. Use AI to compare supplier invoices versus contracts, flagging overcharges that humans miss. Turn messy CRM notes into clean follow-up summaries, so sales teams don't drop deals. Scan legal or policy documents and highlight only what changed instead of rereading everything. Clean product catalogs, title specs, variations, so ads stop getting rejected and conversion rates go up. None of this is sexy, none of this goes viral on Twitter, but all of it saves companies time or money, and companies happily pay for that. Now let's talk about why these ideas work and why most AI money ideas don't. First, AI doesn't make you money, it removes friction. Notice something? None of those examples are AI products, they are process fixes. AI is not the product, they remove steps people hate doing. If a process used to take 10 hours and now takes 3, the value isn't creativity, it's efficiency. That's what businesses pay for. Second, in 22 they said it's AI. Contend is cheap decisions are not. I contend is everywhere. What's rare is someone saying this price is wrong, this contract changed, the skill will lose money. AI helps you analyze, you'll get paid for judgment. Helping someone avoid a bad decision is easier to sell than promising growth. Third, the boring AI use cases pay the most. Every example earlier was boring. Checking, comparing, cleaning, flagging. Creative AI is crowded, maintenance AI is not. Nobody dreams about data cleanup, that's exactly why it pays. Fourth, AI plus industry knowledge beats learning something new. People fail when they say I don't know anything, but I use AI. People win when they say I know this workflow and it removes the pain. You don't need a new industry, you need one familiar problem and a faster way to solve it. If the best out businesses don't market AI, notice what clients care about. Fewer errors, faster turnaround, less wasted money, not prompts, not models, not tools. AI stays invisible. Results are what sell.